catch flight. They all depend on me, nigga. That's why I hustle. What's up? What's up, man? It's your boy Seymour Prophet. Y'all welcome to One Trade Per Day. And today, I got something special, man. I'ma just give y'all a fucking free strategy. Free. 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 For real, for real. So let's get to it, man. This is how we gonna rock it out, man. It works on any market. You feel what I'm saying? So basically, we gonna need an RSI. We gonna need the RSI, the relative strength index. There it go, bam. Once you get the RSI, let me move myself over here. Once we get the RSI in the main, that's just a South Carolina thing, man. You feel me? We gonna get this VWAP going. You feel me? We gonna get the VWAP. I ain't no type major or nothing like that. You don't gotta be. Feel me? We gotta go down out the daily. Let's go to the hour time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute. I'm a quick scalper. You feel me? You can just normally just come down here and just auto fit that thing. Feel what I'm saying? We're gonna go down in 5 minutes so we can see the breakdown of this VWAP. Alright. I really do the 5 minutes, and then I will put another chart right here. 5 minutes. And then I use the 1 minute, but just to keep it simple, we just gonna rock out just like this. Alright? So boom. When we gonna wait for it to hit extreme levels, man. Extreme levels. This is extreme level. This is what we want. We waiting for this. This is where we at. You know what I'm saying? That's what we want. We want extreme levels, right? That's the first check. That's the first check off the list. You feel what I'm saying? So once we get our extreme level and it pulls away from it, we're waiting for it to come retest this level, right? Boom. It retested it right here. That's basically an equal. But you see on this RSI right here, you feel what I'm saying? It's a divergence. I'm giving y'all boy free game now. Boy, this is fucking free game. I promise you. And I'm not gonna resort to that today. Let me change the song right quick, y'all boy. But yeah, this free game now. I promise you. So that's a divergence, but we basically, yeah, we got it. That's equal, man. That's right there. That's right there on the money. It's been equal 3 times. One, two, three. Boom. You feel what I'm saying? But the whole time, this was rising up, right? So now, this is where this VWAP come into play at with the rest of the RSI. That's the first confirmation on the RSI right here. So you could have got in positions right here and right here. But that's just, you got to be a pro for some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, to get the entry that we wanting, the high probability entry, is you gonna wait. That's why we break it down to the 1 minute candles. You know what I'm saying? Because these big 5 minute candles, you ain't had no time to really enter. So all right, that's cool. It broke out. It came and retest. Now, if you notice right here on the RSI, now we're above this 50. We're above this VWAP. That's everything that we need to go. We retested this, and then in the smaller time frames, would have been in way before we got this big ass reversal. You feel what I'm saying? So once all these line up, that's where you get in at. You feel what I'm saying? So let's go down to the 1 minute, right there on the same shit we was drawing on. Where's that? Right here. So let me erase that shit. So we back in these extreme levels. We in these extreme levels right here. You see it? All the way extreme. We extreme, right? We came all the way down. That's why I love the smaller time frame. You about to see why. So we came down. We already been down here once. This right here. The first time on the RSI is right here. Feel what I'm saying? So we already getting divergence down. It's every time it's getting higher. This is this is lower if you see it. So you already know divergence is coming. So you waiting for it. You know what I'm saying? You waiting for it. So boom. Now we're going back to this VWAP situation. When it broke the VWAP, you wait for the retest. That failed. You know what I'm saying? You wait for the retest and hold, and then you get enter, and that's your perfect entry, especially on this 1 minute time frame. So there it go. If y'all don't see it, I'm gonna show you it. It broke. It retested and it held right here. That was your entry up. You can take your profit right here, or you can ride it all the way up to the top band and take profits. Sometimes on a downtrend it'll just hit right here and continue down. You know what I'm saying? So you just be mindful on that. But if it's uptrend, yeah, of course you want to ride it up. Feel what I'm saying? So it's choppy right here. I would have stayed out this trade. Feel what I'm saying? When it broke, we kind of got a hold right here. We could have jumped in it once we seen it to take it right here. And then once it broke, it came and held. Take it right here. Simple mathematics. Feel me? That's free game, man. That type of strategy will change your life forever. So just stay tuned, man. We got more free game coming. Just everybody stay tuned. The extreme levels. Remember the extreme levels and the cross. We got the cross down here. But that's different. If we got the cross down here, we would have been in way down here. You feel what I'm saying? We would have took it right here, got out.